So I'm Wesley Bullard. I'm the IT manager here at Vista Manufacturing. Our company is a custom lightings company that also does custom plastic extrusions. I have worked with VCIO for 6 years, maybe 7. That's hard for me to remember exactly. But yeah, and I've worked with VCIO from everything from ERP implementations to getting us to a 5-star security setting here at our company. Of just anything and everything, really. Yeah, also leadership consulting with IT as well. You're looking to have a top-notch IT department, and for the future that we're all going to be heading into with AI and everything else, I would strongly recommend Well, I've mainly worked with Tom and Ray, but every time I've worked with you guys, your knowledge, your abilities, y'all have done a great job. And I think you can guide departments like mine and show us the way of how we can have a great IT system that becomes a strategic advantage for the company. Bringing VCIO in will create a strategic advantage for your company. I truly believe that.